Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from Bybit to bank account. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar of it, you will have to type bybit.com. This will land you on the official website of Bybit, where you just have to log in into your account by providing your email address and your password. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you need to hover over to buy crypto, and then you need to click on P2P trading. Once you do this, by default, you will be on this buy section, but as you want to withdraw your money to your bank account, you will have to click on sell. Now, once you click on sell, you will have to select the person who is giving you the best price. After that, your currency will be selected by default, but if you want to change it, then you will have to click on it, and here you will have to type your currency, and it will take the currency over here and it will show you the pricing accordingly. So right next to it, you are going to see the sell button. So you need to click on that sell button, and after providing your payment method such as your bank, you will have to click on sell, and then you just have to conclude your selling. Once done, you just have to wait for some time until you receive that money in your bank account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.